Hey, my beautiful people, this is Shayoni, and welcome to Positive Vibes. Plants are nature's notification to give yourself more space in this world. I'm not a mom to a countless number of plants yet, but I'm on my way to that title. After dedicating time to nurturing my plants on an almost daily basis, I began to realize that there are more than just a means to reach my household aesthetic goal. Now I realized the correlation between plants and self care. Plants can reflect our lives in more ways than one and help us acclimate during difficult times. But not all plants bring joy, especially high maintenance ones. So I rounded up a list of plants and dug into their personalities. Find out which ones are calling out to you based on their benefits as well as efforts and attention you want to give. For a reminder to break toxic ties, try aloe vera. Aloe vera is probably my favorite houseplant simply because it has so many benefits and is easy to care for. If you are the type to give a lot to others, you and aloe vera may make the perfect pairing. It can help with detoxing your air of harmful chemicals. You can include it to your skincare routine. During the repotting process, you may have to trim away any dead pieces that are no longer contributing to its growth. Doing this can serve as reminder of your own growth. As you approach different life stages, you sometimes have to let go of who or what may be stopping you from thriving. To get positive energy, try orchids. Unsurprisingly, the vibrant orchid flower injects positive energy and improves the overall feel of your space. Its sweet scent also helps trigger a positive change in your emotions. For a reminder to relax and stay calm, try lavender. This plant is very easy on the eyes, smells delightful, and is the source of one of the most popular essential oils. For those who forget to unwind or take a few seconds for themselves, especially at the end of the day, lavender is for you. The floral smell is effective at decreasing anxiety and providing a calm atmosphere. Close your eyes and take in a few deep breaths whenever you are feeling overwhelmed or when you want to get a good night's rest. As you inhale the relaxing scent, it will help calm you down. During the warmer spring months, move your lavender plant outside as it helps the plant to catch some fresh rays of sunshine. While you are at it, take in a few moments outside to get your own dose of vitamin D as well. For boosting focus and clarity, try rose and rosemary also. A study has found that simply looking at roses lets you feel more relaxed, focused, and clear headed. And the rosemary scent is known to improve your memory and keep you from getting distracted while at work. For a reminder to survive and thrive during hard times, try a snake plant. Known to provide a strong protective energy in your space, snake plants are extremely durable and require very little attention in order to grow. For easygoing folk who need a reminder of how resilient they are when times get tough, snake plants are here for you. Snake plants are easygoing and the ideal plant to keep in observation. They require little attention and still thrive under a little pressure. This plant is unique because it has the ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. Meaning that if you live in an area with no airflow, having quite a few snake plants around you may help sanitize the oxygen in your space. Snake plants serve as a reminder that even when you may feel alone or experiencing a difficult time, you can still choose to grow through and survive even the hardest situations. When you see this plant, find a quiet spot in your home to sit down next to it. Close your eyes, breathe in cool, clean air it provides, and find your space. For a reminder to maintain a work-life balance, try lilies. Here is another natural purifier to add to the list, lilies. This gorgeous plant improves the flow of energy in the home as it neutralizes harmful indoor chemicals. It's also believed to help people flourish mentally, physically, and spiritually. Lilies symbolize peace, tranquility, prosperity, purification, and solitude. Because peace lilies have such powerful symbolism, speak positive affirmation to your plants. Only say what you yourself would want to hear. For a reminder to stay present, try a eucalyptus. This popular plant is known not only for its distinct, pleasant aroma but also for its ability to help treat asthma, colds, etc. For those who need a reminder to appreciate the present and what the daily will bring, the eucalyptus is the ideal plant. Take a few moments to inhale its healing and powerful scent. Doing this brings you back into the present moment. Remember that this present moment is all you have. Don't think about what happened yesterday, as you cannot change that. And don't concern yourself with tomorrow's to-do list, because all you have is this very moment. So enjoy. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna see you guys very soon in my next video.